Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change WhatsApp notification tone. To do this, you just need to go to WhatsApp, and after that, click on the three dots on the top right of the screen. After that, click on Settings, and after that, go and scroll down a little bit and go to Notifications. And as you can see here in Messages, there is an option called Notification Tone. You just need to click on it, and after that you will find all the tones that you can use. These ones are provided with WhatsApp, or also you can choose some tones from your device, and you just need to click on it, and like that you will change the notification tone, or you can put it on default as you want, or you can choose from all this list. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.